Hi, it's Hazrat and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Motorola Razr 70. So first, scroll from the top and open the Bluetooth settings, once again to disable the Bluetooth and enable it back on to reset. Now, hit this gear next to your connected device and forget it. Pair new device and pair once again. Then hit pair on both devices. If you still have any issues, then try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.